Because we live in an electrical prison for the spirit and the soul, Earth has been turned into a game of energy versus energy, ego versus ego, mind versus mind, spirit versus spirit, awareness versus awareness. End result, maturity. Who asked them to decide that for us? Personally, I do not consent. I am a living, breathing soul and spirit under the law of oneness. We should be tired of wickedness by now. The narrow path is the one with your inner child, with yourself, with your own spirit. Save yourself